There's an article down here in the speaker notes that you might want to use as a resource that kind of talks about the new Lit Circle rules and the 21st century. So this Google slide has like a choice board kind of activity, but not really, with all the different rules for Lit Circles. So you've got the discussion director, and again, these are not the 2.0 version. These are just the Lit Circle kind of old terms that you might have used. So if the kids click these icons, it will take them to their role, and then they can kind of use this for their notes or to link any resources that they do. So again, if they're the summarizer, they're going to go to slide 7, and it tells them prepare a summary of the assigned reading. Now, in that article, it talks about an upgrade kind of to Lit Circles. So this is the Lit Circle 2.0. We've got a project manager. We're using terms that we kind of have in today's society, the Twitter, the trend spotter. And again, if you click these icons, students go to their role and they understand what their job is with their group as they're reading different articles or doing different activities. So maybe they're the graphic designer. Again, they click, it takes them to slide 16, and it tells them that they have to use technology to develop graphics or maybe some type of sketch to represent the text. Up here, this one down in the speaker notes kind of have some directions. So this is from that article again. And then this one is kind of, again, from that article, but it goes over what this might look like if students were working together on a big project. So again, the project manager would reflect about the experience of approaching the text from different roles, where the graphic designer would create an infographic in Canva answering maybe different questions. Where if the tweeter, they would have to prepare a short and relatable overview of what the text is about in 150 or 140 characters or less. And then they would have to share it through different social media. Maybe you've got the journalist. So that person would choose a passage, and then they would learn more about it and they would research it and why they found that interesting. So again, you give students different jobs, and then this tells them what they're supposed to do with their group, and then they come together and they share. So it could be kind of like a jigsaw type of activity as well. So again, this is lit groups that have different roles, and the icons will take the students to those different explanations.